Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing about board work stresses and pretest questions. Uh, Sample problem: tensile stress. A steel rod is subjected to a tensile force of 12,000 Newton. The rod has a circular cross section with a diameter 20 millimeter. Find the tensile stress. So, not given nga P is equivalent to 12,000 Newton or ito ang force, and then diameter which is 20 millimeter. Convert nito siya to meter, mahimo siya og 0.02. So for the solution, naatay formula para sa area which is pi d squared over 4, which is equivalent to pi times 0.02 squared over 4. Para naatay answer na area which is equivalent to 3.14 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared. Since nanatay area, pwede na ito masolve ito ang tensile stress. Na formula P over A. I-convert na lang sila, which is equivalent to 12,000 over 3.14 times 10 to the negative 4. Para makakuha ito o tensile stress, which is equivalent to 382,16560.51 Pascal. Divide na ito siya sa 1 million, may siya o 38.2 MPa. Next sample problem, shear stress. A steel bolt is subjected to a shear force of 8,000 Newton. The bolt has a circular cross section with a diameter 16 millimeter. Find the shear stress. So, not a given force, which is equivalent to 8,000 Newton, then diameter, which is 16 millimeter. Convert na siya to meter, 0.016. So, para sa solution, gamitin nga ito itong formula sa area, which is equivalent to pi d squared over 4, is equivalent to pi times 0.016 squared over 4, to have an answer of 2.01 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared. Since nanatay area, makasolve na sa shear stress, which is equivalent to P over A, is equivalent to 8,000 over 2.01 times 10 to the negative 4, to have an answer of 398,00995.02 Pascal. Divide na to sa 1 million to convert it into MPa, which is equivalent to 39.8 MPa. Next sample problem, torsional stress. A solid circular shaft of diameter 40 millimeter is subjected to a torque of 500 Newton meter. Find the maximum torsional stress. So in this problem, natin given torque is equivalent to 500 Newton meter, and then diameter, which is equivalent to 40 millimeter, convert natin siya into meter, which is equivalent to 0.04. For the solution, since solid ito ang circular shaft, we will use this solution. Shear stress is equivalent to 16T over pi d cube, is equivalent to 16 times 500 over pi times 0.04 squared, to have an answer of 39788.735 Pascal. Again, divide po na ito sa 1 million para ma-convert siya into MPa, which is equivalent to 39.8. Next sample problem, bearing stress. A steel plate is connected using a bolt of diameter 20 mm. The plate is 10 mm and the load applied is 10,000 Newton. Find the bearing stress on plate. In this problem, natin given force or load, which is equivalent to 10,000 Newton. Diameter sa bolt, which is 20 millimeter, equivalent to 0.02 meters. And then thickness din sa plate, which is 10 mm, equivalent to 0.01. For the solution, since bearing stress manager, we will use this formula para sa to ang uh, area, which is d times t, which is equivalent to 0.02 times 0.01, which will be given which will be 2 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared. Since na naman tayo area, masolve na to ato ang bearing stress with the formula of F over A, which is equivalent to 10,000 over 2 times 10 to the negative 4, which will have an answer of 50 million Pascal. Convert na to siya sa MPa, which is equivalent to 50 MPa. Next sample problem, bending or flexural stress. A beam has a bending moment of 10,000 Newton meter at its center. The moment of inertia has beam of 8 times 10 to the negative 6 meter to the fourth, and the distance from the neutral axis to the outer fiber is 0.05 meters. Find the bending stress. In this problem, natay given nga bending moment, which is equivalent to 10,000 Newton meter, and then moment of inertia 8 times 10 to the negative 6 meter to the fourth, and then C dayan na to, which is equivalent to 0.05. For the solution, naatay formula nga M C over I, which is equivalent to 10,000 times natin na siya sa 10,000 times 0.5, 0.005. Yes. Over 8 times 10 to the negative 6 para makakuha ta og answer ni 625 million Pascal. So para i-convert din nato siya into MPa, which is equivalent to 62.5 MPa. Next, ano na yung pretest questions. Select a deep groove ball bearing to carry a radial load Fx is equal to 800 pound and a thrust load is equivalent to 700 pound at 170 RPM. The service is 8 hours per day, but it is not continuous. Designed for 20,000 hours. The operation is smooth with little vibration. The outer ring rotates. Determine the design life in million revs, million MR, with no more than 10% failure. So for the solution, total rev is equal to N times 60 times R's. N is the RPM. So 1,750 times 60 times 2,000. So total rev na to kay 210 million MR. Convert na to siya to 210 MR. And then i-multiply tayo na sa 10 to have a final answer of 2,100 MR. So the correct answer will be letter B. Next, determine the HP loss when a collar is loaded with 2,000 pounds, rotates at 50 RPM, and has a coefficient of friction of 0.15. The outside diameter of the collar is 4 inches and the inside diameter is 2 inches. So for the solution, natay formula para sa to ang mean radius is equal to RO plus outside radius plus inside radius over 2. Since ano naman na siya, inches outside na, i-divide na to sa to. So natay 2 plus 1 over 2, which will ano 1.5 inch. And then sa torque, ano siya, ato ang coefficient times load times mean radius, which is equivalent to 0.15 times 2,000 times 1.5. So naatay given nga so naatay answer day nga 450 inch pound. I-convert na to siya to foot pound, i-divide na to siya sa 12 para tong torque makakuha og answer nga 37.5 foot pound. Next then masolve na ito tong HP. Natay formula nga 2 pi nt over 33,000. So 2 pi times 50 times 37.5 over 33,000. So naatay final answer nga 0.357 HP. Since wala man sa choices, ang pinaka-closest ana kay ang letter B, which is 0.3714 HP. Next, in a lathe machine, it is diameter of the largest workpiece. It can rotate in a chuck or between centers without hitting the bed. So in this problem kay ano man na siya, yung tawag kaning puro terms na siya terms. So letter A, the chuck diameter is the size of the holding device, not the max workpiece size. So letter B, the maximum diameter of a workpiece that can rotate freely over the lathe bed. Letter C, length capacity, not diameter. So letter D, size of the shaft, unrelated to clearance. So pinakadulan ang answer is letter B, swing, the maximum diameter of a workpiece that can rotate freely over the lathe blade. Next, what load in N must be applied to a 25 mm round steel bar 2.5 long to stretch the bar 1.3 mm? So for the solution, gamitin na to ang area, which is pi d squared over 4, is equal to pi times 25 squared over 4. So naatay answer nga 490.87 millimeter squared. And then since given maning uban, we will use this formula. P is equal to AE over L. P is equal to 1.3 times 498.87 times 207,000 over 2,500. So naatay final answer nga 52,840 Newton. So the correct answer is letter B. This is a general term that refers to mating of cylindrical parts such as a bolt or hole. It is used only when the internal member is smaller than external member. How do you call this? So term siya pa na siya. Clearance, a condition where the hole is larger than the shaft, leaving a gap or space between them. Interference, a condition where the shaft is larger than the hole, so they overlap in size. Allowance, the intentional difference in size between two mating parts, such as shaft and hole. Tolerance, the acceptable variation in the dimension, how much a size can differ from its exact value. So in this question, ang mas duol or exact is ang letter A, clearance, the condition where the hole is larger than the shaft, leaving a gap or space between them.